So how can we define demand response or load monitoring? I list three items here. It's the energy demand management, demand side management, DSM, or demand side response, DSR. They are same thing. So let's look at the definition of demand response or load management. This is the definition from the ARENA website. So what's the demand response? Demand response is the voluntary reduction or shift of electrical use by customers, which can help to keep a power grid by balancing its supply and demand of electricity. It can help to make electricity systems flexible and reliable. So this is the definition of demand response. Look at this figure. It's something like that when we want to, at the shaded area, if we want to increase the load consumption, how can we do it? We should ask, maybe send information to the consumers to increase their load consumption. This process is demand response. Change your load consumption to balance the supply and the demand. So what's the task or the goal for demand response? It's for what? It's for the customer. Definitely it can benefit their economy for energy saving, for money saving, and definitely for sustainability benefits. And for the system, to make sure the power system more reliable. Previously, electricity users generally have three options to meet their demand. One is to buy the electricity from the grid. Another one is that we can generate. If we install a PV systems, we can generate the electricity by ourselves. And another one is to reduce the load consumption. Now, if we have a lot of distributed energy resources in smart grid, we have the fourth option. It is shifted. For example, we prefer to use something, maybe hot water at 10 p.m. We can shift it at 6 a.m. when the electricity price is very small, much lower than the peak hour. So this is the process for shifted the load. So we have already introduced about the definition of demand response and how many ways we can use for demand response. So now we will introduce about the type of demand response. Here there are 4 different types of demand response. First one is emergency response, peaking response, frequency control, or load shifting.